Hello guys and welcome to my channel. If today is the first time coming across my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, put on the notification bell so that anytime I post an amazing content like this, you'll be among the first to be notified. Now in today's strategy, I'm just going to be teaching you how you can do daily analysis either on gold, um, that means on currency pair or on synthetic indices. But before I go into the strategy, you can see some results right here. This is on synthetic indices. Boom, 1000. If you're not familiar with the dairy platform, so it's only on dairy platform you can find the boom indices, and this is the minimum lot size. Um, this strategy I normally use is called the millionaire strategy, which I also teach those who are interested on how to trade the forex market or the synthetic indices with that millionaire strategy. Now I also have a community in the WhatsApp. Let me show you on the WhatsApp group where I I mentor them. You can see where we do some analysis for the week on either currency pair um, or any of the pairs in as much as it concerns trading where we do analysis. Now within this week I told them there was a place I told them to watch out for that boom 1000. You can see before now I have given them analysis to watch out on the boom 1000. You can see where I tell them boom 1000 they should be ready to sell. Aside that, also on volatility 75 25, even on currency pair we also do analysis on those pairs as well. So once you join the community, yeah, you'll be provided with the materials, the video, everything needed for you to succeed. The forex market will be provided. So this is not a child's play, except for those who are skeptical. But no problem. If you are skeptical, you can still stay aside. You see where I gave them that this we are going to be getting sell opportunity on VIX 10 index, and then see the outcome after I told them to always observe for the volatility 10 index that we are going to sell massively. Can you see the result? This was the result a day or so after. You can see it. So we do analysis even before price gets to those areas. So that being said, let me take you to today's activity. All right, today's activity is on gold. You can see the trade is still currently running. So, but I'm going to teach you the strategy we are going to be using. So this strategy is called technical analysis using the daily time frame to catch sweet or possible entry. Now, before we add other indicators, the first thing you do is you go to your daily time frame. When you come to your daily time frame, what you're going to be doing here is you are going to highlight the previous day candle. So if you're going to highlight the previous day candle, that means candle for yesterday, not today. So this was the previous day candle, right? That is that bullish green candle. That was yesterday's candle. So you can see I used blue line to highlight where the bottom of the candle, then use red to highlight the top of the candle. You can use this strategy for scalping. For those of you who like scalping. So after doing that, you clean. Now I'm going to add the indicators for entry and exit. So for you to add those indicators, you click on this icon. You click on this icon at the top. Click on this icon. Immediately you click on that icon, it will take you to indicators home. Is that clear? So when you click on it, you come here, click on this F plus icon. The first thing we are going to add is the um, RSI. You add the RSI, which is the relative strength index. Make sure the period is 1. Apply to close. The style should be of background color. Level should be 15, 50, and 85 respectively. Please, if you are watching up to this moment and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss out when I post other strategy here on my platform. So the you can see the 50 should be take profit, then 15 should be area you should be expecting buy, 85 should be areas you should be expecting your sell. Is that clear? So when you're done, you click on save. So on the main chart, we are going to add another indicator on the main chart, which is the Bollinger Band. So the Bollinger Band should be a period of 5, deviation should be 0.100, shift 0, apply to close, then use any style as your color, any color of your choice, then click on save. So we are still going to add two more indicator. So in your window 1, you're going to click the F plus icon, add envelope. You click on the envelope should have period of 1, deviation should be 0.010, method should be simple, apply to close, then up and down band should be the same color. You can use any color of your choice, then you click on save. Then lastly, you click on the main chart F plus icon, then you add the average directional movement index, the ADX. Is that clear? The period should be 15, style should be 0, plus DI should be green, negative DI should be red. Then you click on save. Sorry, the level should be 20. Click on save. So when you are done, I think our chart is set. So you go to the chart now. Now, how do you take your entry? You go straight to 15 minutes time frame. 15 minutes time frame. You can even go as low as 5 minute time frame for sniper entry. So come to the 15-minute time frame. What are the conditions for entry and exit? Now, when you come to the daily time frame where we started from earlier, there's what we call volume in forex trading, which some people call imbalance. You will notice that this bullish candle gave us a very massive bullish candle, creating huge imbalance in the market. So we want to leverage on that imbalance. Aside that, it also breaks structure. So if you don't understand this technical analysis, it's going to be a bit difficult for those of you who are new. But when you understand break of structure, then you'll be able to leverage on the market. How did we identify break of structure? As at few days back, this was the highest point price got to. Is that clear? As at few days back, that was the highest point price got to. So price went above, then it closes with a week's showing rejection and came down. But after that, as at yesterday, price went above that. There are more to that. If you want to have more understanding, when you join the millionaire strategy class, all those things will be revealed to you, and you also be taught how to do that. Don't also watch where I talked about weekly analysis, or with that one you'll be able to understand it more better. But for today, let me not make things too complex for you. Let's get into the strategy direct. So you notice that the yesterday candle was very bullish, creating imbalance, right? Day before yesterday, you can see that the candle was very little, which is this last candle, this red little candle before the bullish candle. If you mark the top and the bottom, it didn't even print anything. You can imagine how little that candle is. That was previous day candle. So but yesterday candle broke above it, showing that there's a break of structure, though it can be just internal structure. While in the other markets, there is the major structure is shown, the external structure is shown. But for this daily candle now, there's so much momentum towards the upside, and we definitely know that when price breaks out, price does pull back before it proceeds. So it is that pullback we want to leverage on. That is why I said you should come to the daily candle. You can do this on any pair. It doesn't matter if it is currency or synthetic indices. So since we have an imbalance in the previous day, price will definitely come to what? Balance it. So that is what we want to leverage on in today's candle. So let's go back to our 15-minute time frame. Now, as at this is where the 15-minute time frame starts from. You can see the separator. You can see these little lines. Separator. When you put your separator, you will notice it. So price went above our previous daily high. That means that high of yesterday, price went above it, meaning that it cleared liquidity. That is why I said you need to get to join a particular class to get knowledge of all these terms. So price cleared liquidity, immediately price cleared liquidity, which is the red line. Price went above the red line. Immediately it closed below the red line. Something happened. The first thing is we identify that our Bollinger Band went above level 85, and immediately it closed below it. Our red line, which is the negative DI, indicate that there's momentum for what? For sell. So as at that point, you will have taken your sell and then leverage it up till it get to the 15-minute time frame. Right, I'm sorry, the 50 level of your RSI. Exactly. But if we should mark the volume area where we have in the 1 hour, in the daily time frame, price has still not yet covered those imbalance. So if you are a scalper, you will have leverage on that. And if you miss the first opportunity, don't worry. The opportunity is still available again here, because we are still going to what? Catch another movement. You see, price still went all the way up. Immediately price closed below our red line, we'll are getting it. Now, if you don't like using the 15-minute time frame, go to your 1 hour time frame. Then you won't miss anyone. So with the 1 hour time frame, you'll be able to know areas where you should focus on. So you can use your 15-minute time frame for sniper entry, or your 1 hour time frame for scalping once the conditions are met. Now, when you come to the 1 hour time frame again, you also notice that price did clear liquidity. Your level got to level 85. Immediately you close and the bearish candle close below it, you open for sale. You can see where our target is. My take profit, that is where we are targeting, which is the level 50. So price has still not touched the level 50. Exactly. So until price touch level 50, before my take profit will definitely what? Meet out. For those of you who are trading Forex, some of you will call this pattern the double top pattern. That is, you can see that price goes to the top side twice, right? So this is some will tell you this is double top or whatever, but right here we are what? Scalping the opportunity here. So immediately this price close. Now if you are still in the market and you are still willing to join, immediately this bearish candle close, you can take your entry and put your take profit, or watch your price fall down to the level 50. Exactly. So you can practice this strategy on any pair. Just highlight the daily time frame, the top and the bottom. So once price goes above the top, then close, check your RSI. Where is your RSI? That means the moving average in RSI. Once it touches the top of your daily high and it closes below it, or closes below your moving average, which is the Bollinger Band in your window 1, you can execute a sell opportunity. When you go to lower time frame, you will notice that your negative DI will cross above the 20 level, while your positive DI will cross below the 20 level, just like what I showed you in the 15-minute time frame. So what we are leveraging on is the volume available, which is imbalanced, and at the same time we can also call it the pullback. Exactly, because when price move impulsively, at some point it's going to make pullback. So just practice this strategy. Let me know the outcome, or try it on other peers. Let me know the outcome, and then if it's something you can start using or add to your arsenal, you can do so. Exactly, guys. This strategy works. Now, if we keep continue to go and back test, you also notice this where price closed above the low. Can you see? You notice what happened here now? Price closed above previous low. Let me go back a bit. When price closed above the low, as at this point, price closed above the low. So immediately price closed above, we'll be expecting to buy. And what happened? Price went all the way up. So today now, price closed below and it is around our 85 level. So we are going to sell part of it. This is on gold. You can try it on any other synthetic indices and then let me know the outcome. Cheers guys, thanks for watching.